How to add email in Facebook account. So if you want to add email in Facebook account, then first you need to open up your Facebook. Once you open up your Facebook, make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, go with the upper right, which has that three-bar icon. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go with the account center option. Once you're here on the account center, you need to scroll down, go with personal details. Under personal details, you will have your contact information. So you just need to simply tap on contact info, and here on the bottom you will have add new contact. So tap on add new contact and then tap on add email address if you want to add the email address, or if you want to add the mobile number, then you can tap on add mobile number. So for now I'll be choosing add email. Once you tap on it, you just need to simply enter the email address that you would like to add to your account. And here on the bottom you will have Facebook and Instagram. So you need to choose the account in which you would like to add that email address. So I'll be choosing Facebook and then enter the email address. Once you enter the email address, you will receive a code to the email address to verify if it's you or not. So you just need to simply enter the email, tap on next, and you will receive the code, and you need to enter that code right here on your Facebook. And once you enter the code, or once you verified, your email address will be added to your Facebook account. So in this way, you'll be able to add the email in your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.